Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Well, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 could be getting a nice performance boost when they launch, as established leaker Ice Universe has claimed that Samsung will put the rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip in what are expected to be two new foldables. We'd heard from one previous rumor that a Plus version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 was coming, but we'd been expecting it anyway. Qualcomm has for the last 3 years been launching Plus versions of its flagship chips midway through their lifecycle, giving phones that launch later in the year a small performance advantage over those that launched earlier as a result. The precedent for Samsung using Snapdragon Plus chips in its foldables is mixed. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 feature the Snapdragon 888 chip, not the Plus variant. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Galaxy Z Flip 5G from the year before had a Snapdragon 865 Plus, and the original Galaxy Z Flip had a Snapdragon 855 Plus chip. Samsung launched its Galaxy S22 series a few months back, using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the US and China and the Exynos 2200 elsewhere. If the new foldables do adopt the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, then they could outperform even the Galaxy S22 Ultra, depending on how much RAM Samsung decides to use. Having said that, outside of a few intensive tasks, such as graphically demanding gaming, we'd not expect to see a significant boost in everyday performance. Yet, with the potential of foldables phones to be productivity machines, it would be good news if Samsung does indeed equip its next-gen foldables with the most powerful chips it can get hold of. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series makes a strong style statement thanks to its unique form factor and eye-catching design. Last year's Galaxy Z Flip 3 was all about fashion and looks. Samsung offered the device in multiple exciting colorways with a few additional customization options that allowed customers to mix and match different colors for back panels and frames. A new leak suggests that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 will follow the same path. According to Ross Young, Samsung will offer the Galaxy Z Flip 4 in at least 4 colors: gold, gray, light blue, and light violet. This is unlikely to be an exhaustive list, and it's safe to assume there will be additional color options, given that last year's model came in 7 colorways. For reference, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 came in cream, green, lavender, and phantom black colors. In addition, Samsung's online store offered 3 exclusive color options. So, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.